Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is specially created for Oppo Reno 15 users. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not working issues in a very simple way so you can use your phone smoothly without any confusion. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and turn to the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin the video.